So you want to free fly your birds, expect to be there all day. So I'm going to show you the essentials you need when camping out and bird watching. Let's go. And the last thing you need is the birds. Hi guys. We got the chair, we got the umbrella.
Yep, that we don't need to use unless you really need to.
It's too windy right now. The umbrella will fly more than the birds.
Yeah, so we're good with that.
We're good. Oh, hi Merlin. Oh, you want to play with it? Look at that. It's whatever this is.
Yeah. What would you guys call that? Monocle?
No,
monocular?
I think it's a monocular. I'm going with that until somebody tells me otherwise.
Yeah.
How good is
Somebody tell him otherwise in the comments, please.
I can't see.
Yeah.
Nothing with it.
Well, I mean, the birds are behind you, so what are you really watching? Sure. Monty will show you how to use it.
Look through it. Oh no! Move that back. Like a little pain.
Someone's fast.
Hi boys.
It looks like you're camping out in the park.
Yeah, usually the birds are not here with me and they're in a tree. So, I don't know how successful this bird watching is going. But people in the park know me for the guy that looks at trees all day. They've never seen the birds, so I think they question if I actually have birds. That part is undeniable.
Yeah, so when you come prepared like this, you look less crazy.
You look questionable, either really crazy for bringing this much gear, or because the birds are around. If the birds aren't around, I think it's sus either way. Right, Monty?
Come on, come on. Good boys. Hi. Good boys. Come on, come on. They hit each other. Good boys. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Hello.
Come on, come on.
Woo!
Merlin! Monty!
Oh, come on, come on. Wow. Come on, Monty. He can go forever. Yeah. He went behind the tree. There you go. He's not tired.
Wow! Hi, good boy!
Where are you? I lost you. Okay, there. He wants to keep calling him. Oh, you coming down? Oh, doing big circles. Look at you, fancy.
Yeah, their YouTube and their main site is Mighty Macaws, but their Instagram is Captain Monty and Friends. Monty came first, and then we changed the name to And Friends, because Merlin came second. Oh, and he's about to leave. She bites me. Right, Merlin? Never. Never.
Don't even joke about that. So many people want them.
No, yeah, God, no.
And just to
Not for
reiterate,
sale. Yeah, yeah.
yes.
Yes, thank you for that point. The biggest question we get on the Instagram side is, are your birds for sale and do you sell birds? I am not a breeder. I'm an enthusiast of birds. That's really it. Not a professional in any way until somebody pays me $1 for something. And I do not breed or sell or train or any of the above. I just like them and I want them to live their best lives. So that's why I chose to fly them. They're mine to keep forever. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was just for laughs. They had fun, we had fun. Make sure to follow us on YouTube with Mighty Macaws. And their Instagram is different. So check out Captain Monty and Friends for their Instagram where we post daily. It'll be in the link in the description down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon because that's how YouTube works. What, recording?
Yep.
Okay. So you want to free fly. Expect to be there for a long time. And I forgot all the rest. So you've been thinking about free flight. I got it.
We just...
The Grand Ole Lake to take your parents down is really nice. You know, we take care of them well, like their family, one of our own. We'll love your grandparents like they love you. Send them to Shady Oaks.
I was just gonna say, is this a Shady Oaks commercial?
You coming?
Oh.
Don't break the bag, I like it. I look like a hunchback of Notre Dame.